So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick yet very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get the free 18 months of Gemini Pro that is offering for Jio users absolutely for free. Now in order to get that, you need to install and get and install the MyJio application. Once you open it, it will open something like this. Now here only you will find this option of Pro plan of Google Gemini free. So you can easily get that by clicking on register interest, and it will directly enables you to get the pro plan of Gemini. Now in order to get that on a specific Gmail ID, click on your profile option on the top right corner, and here you need to click on this option of mobile settings right there. Once you click on there, here you will see this option of personal information. Click over there, and here you will notice a Gmail email account. Hit on edit and add the email account of which that you want for the Google Gemini Pro. And once you do that, you can simply get the Gemini Pro just by clicking over this option of register interest. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.